So I downloaded the garage drawing. Well, it's not just a garage drawing, it's I guess it's an entire house. But anyhow, I downloaded it and I generated the framing on this wall. And I thought, okay, let's take a look at how the preferences are set up. So I went to the preference um, settings for framing, and I look at automatic framing, and it is set to 16 inches. Strange. However, in Chief Architect, you can override automatic settings with explicit settings. So let's take a look at how this wall is set up. Wall type, siding type 6, probably a template type. And let's take a look at what happens here for the layer framing. 24 inches on center. Now if I click that to automatic, it now says 16 inches on center. And we click OK, and then let's reframe this wall. Bingo, now we have 16 inches on center. So this is one of the things that the Chief Architect does, is it has automatic settings for all kinds of things that work so long as you don't change something explicit, like ceiling height in a particular room or something like that. As long as everything is set for defaults, then it will default to whatever you've set the default for. But if you change anything specifically, then that specific change takes precedent over the automatic and default settings. Hope that clears things up. Bye for now.